Action. Well, howdy everybody. Grass Slinger here. I want to show you another mower. Then I'm going to do a cold start on. But before I do that, I want to show you a little something about this. It's a TORO lawnmower, but the motor's not original. The original one was pretty much done for. So I took this motor off of a Murray because the deck was so rotted that the motor was sitting cross-eyed. This is a 3.5 horse Briggs & Stratton Classic. My favorite motor of all time. Excuse me. And of course I have the platinum spark plug. I have real good luck with them. Make sure the switch is on because I had no kill cable hooked up. But it's good enough for me. Give it 3 primes. Alright. Haven't started in a while. I don't remember how long. Possibly a month and a half or so. So here we go. Oop. Give it a couple more primes. 1, 2, 3. Throttle's open. There you go. There's a cold start of another mower that I redid, but I call it the Murray TORO, like Murray / TORO. I entered originally off of Murray on a TORO deck. That's why I call it the Murray TORO. Just in case you're wondering why I call it the Murray TORO. And I do have a bagger for it, but it's just put away. I'll get it out next time I cut the grass with it. I should cut the grass with it again. It's been sitting for a little while. I think it's been sitting for maybe a month or a month and a half. I'm not exactly sure how long. Well, y'all have a good day, and bye-bye.